Do you know how to build a squeeze page on Clickfunnels so that you can build an email list, produce an income, and impact more lives in the process? What is up, my winning friend? My name is Zach, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do just that. And we're getting started right now. Alright, so check this out. Before I learned how to build these sales funnels, like I'm getting ready to show you right now, these websites, or run Facebook advertisements, or use Photoshop, or shoot videos and video edit, all that good stuff, I was absolutely terrified of it. I'm not a tech guy. I'm not a techie tech person. Me and computers don't get along, alright? This stuff actually frightened me to, it was like foreign, and it was like, I don't know how to do this, But, once I invested, once I knew that I had to do this in order to make my dreams come true, and once I started investing into the training, learning these things, watching certain people explain this, or following certain people that helped me understand this, I learned that it wasn't not even close to as frightening as I imagined that it would have been. Not even close. It's actually, and the things that I learned, it wasn't that hard to learn. I was just making it that way in my mind, and I'm so thankful and happy that I decided to get past my fears and of being overwhelmed with learning all this new stuff and actually doing it. Because what I'm doing now is I'm living my dream. I'm doing what makes me happy. I'm living my purpose in life. I'm doing stuff that I'm passionate about. And I couldn't be happier. So I'm going to share with you how to build a sales funnel I'm going to share with you how to build a squeeze page inside of Clickfunnels. And that is going to help you grow your email list. And it's going to help you sell your products and services so that you can contribute to others' lives and add value to them, while at the same time being compensated for doing stuff that you love in the process. So without any further ado, let's head to the computer and get started right now. Alrighty, so let's get started and show you how to build this funnel. Now, this is what it's going to look like when you first log into Clickfunnels. If you do not have a Clickfunnels account, I urge you to go abandon your current website, just get rid of it and get this right away. And the reason why I say this is because it's going to solve so many problems for you and alleviate so many headaches. The reason why I say this is because I used to have a web developer managing, build my website and take care of it, manage it each month. It cost me ridiculous amounts of fees and money each month to keep my website running. I was paying the maintenance fee just in case if I wanted to change things and stuff for him to operate it. Then I had to pay for a shopping cart, email, autoresponders, you name it, hosting fees. With here, you get rid of the maintenance fee, you get rid of all the hosting fees they cover here. You get rid of any shopping cart. They have all that built inside of here. You don't need to pay all this ridiculous amount of money, and it's a lot less expensive. That's so much better deal than what I was paying before. And on top of that, you don't have to deal with the stress of, all right, you want to get something done, you got this great idea, let's put it into the website, and then boom, you tell them you have to wait 2 weeks or a month for it to get done. That's what I was dealing with, and that was very frustrating. When here, if I want to do something, I come in here, I change it, boom, it's done. I don't have to be a super nerdy tech person to use this. This is a real simple format how to build out your funnel. So, for the purpose of this video, we're not going to get into how to set up your custom domains and your email integrations and all that stuff. I will make videos in the future on that, but you will have to go into custom domains under account, and you'll have to connect your domain. Now, Clickfunnels gives you a free domain as soon as you join Clickfunnels. And then you can also connect your other domains that you have with GoDaddy or whatever. But we're going to talk about building a funnel today. So when you do a funnel, you're going to go here, and you're going to go to Build a Funnel. And the front end of all your funnels, you want it to be you want to capture leads. You want to get that contact information, your first funnel. So let's say our industry, we can network marketing, B2B, e-commerce, retail, professional service, other, author, speaker, coach. That's so awesome that they have this stuff. But let's just say that we're author, speaker, coach, right? And let's just say that the type of funnel that we want to build is we want to generate leads because we want to capture that. And then now our goal is we want their contact information. So we're going to select that box. Alright, so now it's going to give us all these different options to choose from on how to build out our sales funnel, our email funnel to capture their email. So we're going to do a reverse or a regular squeeze page funnel. That's what I like to do. You can choose other ones and look at them. They even give you a description how to do it. Matter of fact, let's watch this video. Each and every one, they have such great training inside here.
No matter where you are today in your business and in your life, you're just one funnel away.
This is a squeeze page funnel. It's very simple. It's only 2 pages in it. The first page is a squeeze page, and the goal of the squeeze page is to get somebody's email address by using curiosity to get them to opt in. And then afterwards, you take them to the thank you page where you thank them for joining your list. Now this page, like I said, is very simple. It's very easy to use. If you want more information about how to use this for your business, kind of the strategy behind it, make sure to check out the Funnel Hacker Cookbook.
No matter where you are.
Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Simple as that. And then they even give you directions right here on telling you more about it. So yeah, and then you after you see what it's about and you decide you want it, then you come down here and you select a template for it. You don't have to select these templates. You can choose a blank squeeze page funnel, which is what I'm gonna do and what I always do. But if you like the designs that they already have out here, awesome, you know. But we're gonna build something from scratch here. All right, we're gonna get it for free because when you have a Clickfunnels account, it's for free. All right, and they're delivering this to me right now. Boom. Now we have, see how fast that was? Alright, so now the squeeze page, there's 2 pages, a squeeze page and a thank you page. We can add in more pages if we so choose. First thing that I'm going to want to do though, right here, is I'm going to go to the top settings right here for the entire funnel. Alright, click on that. And then I want to give my funnel a cool name. We're going to call it Cool Funnel. But you can obviously name it whatever you want. We're going to, the group tag. This is how you can find your different funnels. If you build out hundreds of them, find them easily by associating them to certain groups, certain businesses that you have. So do that. Alright, and then you want to associate a domain to this funnel. So once you have that set up, they'll pop up here. I'm going to put ZacharyBabcock.com. Alright, that's what it's going to be on the URL, ZacharyBabcock.com/ whatever I put right here. And we're going to put Cool Funnel. Alright, and that's that would be how to get to that. So you would want to go down here after that, scroll all the way down, save and update settings. Boom. So that's the first part. Now when we click on the squeeze page, we're going to have to pick first, we're going to have to pick out a template for it. So let's make sure we're on email opt-in. Yes, we are. Just going to grab something simple. Let's just grab this one. Alright, it's delivering. Boom, it's there. Alright, so now if you look right here, the URL for people to reach this page is right here. And it's not a good looking URL. At least it has the ZacharyBabcock.com / squeeze page, whatever the heck that means. So to fix that, once we are clicked on the page, we're going to go to publishing right underneath this settings, publishing. And now we can name the step. That's what step name is going to show up right here, right next to it. So we'll call it Cool Page. Alright, and then the path, now we want to take this, and that's what was not looking cool. We're going to call it Cool Page. Alright, we can call it whatever we want, but call it Cool Page. See, boom, update funnel step. Now we have a cool looking URL, ZacharyBabcock.com / cool page. Pretty cool. So we're going to go to the cool page. Let's edit it. Let's have some fun now. Alright. So when you're in here, they already have stuff built out for you. But if you didn't like something, we can delete that if we want to. Okay, let's just delete that. Boom, it's gone. Now we're going to have to add a button. If we wanted to move the headline or anything, we can take it and drag it down. Obviously, it wouldn't look good like that, but we can leave it there if we want. We could do whatever we want with this headline. I'm going to go back in here to elements. That's what these are: a headline, a video, or whatever. Go into elements, add element, and we need a button. So I'm going to grab a button. I'm going to put it right underneath the email address. It says click to sign up. So it doesn't look good though, right? And there's no action set to it. So with each element, if you click on it, they have the move, they have the settings, which is that gear looking thing, You can clone it and you can delete it. Every single element has these features. So the settings inside here, we can change the color of the button if we want. We can change the text color of it. We can change the size of it. The subtext, if there is no subtext in there, I meant the font size. We can change the font size, you know. We can do so much with it. We can change the button text. You see this, click up the sign. We can delete that and say, download your free report. Boom. And then the action, set action. So you want to click on this for any button. And we can have it go to website URL. If we choose that, we just delete that hash sign and copy and paste the website URL that we want this button to send them to. Or we can hit submit order, submit form. And what that is that's going to submit the page, and it's going to capture their email and submit the page to the next page. That's what we want to set it for. We can add in, say you want to grow your page even more. So this is all like one column section right here. There's nothing like side by side. So we can add in rows. We could do two rows side by side. So let's drop it in. We can do it right here. Boom. What I mean by that, you see, two side by side. So if we want to put a video right here, come over here to our elements. Boom, we got a video. And if we want to put a little bullet list next to it, boom, we got a bullet list. And let's actually see what we can actually read that. Change the color of the text color. Boom. We can change the size of this by going into the settings and font size. We can, you know what I'm saying? We can change the size of the video. Here's how the video works. You go in the settings. You want to upload it from custom embed or YouTube, Vimeo, Vista. Let's just say we're doing it your YouTube. Boom, and you got a video on YouTube that's unlisted. So you can share the link, copy and paste it in here. Boom, now it's in here. You can turn it on autoplay. So as soon as somebody comes on this page, it automatically plays a video for them. You can change up the size of the video, which I believe is in advanced. Yeah, full width. We can do it 3.5 width. We can do it half width. We can. There's so many different ways that you can play with this and do it. And when you're done, before you're done, you want to go and you'd set up your integration. So you know you would connect. I'm not going to do it in this video specifically, but you would already have your Actionetics connected, and you can select action, add to list, and you can select the list that you want to add them to, and boom, and then it's all set up. It's connected. Then you want to come down here to general. Now when if they're going to get a free report, I'm going to give them an asset. So here's my digital asset, and you would set up your digital assets in your settings back in the main page under account, and you can upload digital assets that automatically go, and you can select which ones go to within each funnel. And then last but not least, SEO metadata. So this is what's going to show up when somebody like types this stuff in on Google or something, or if you share a link on Facebook. The bottom part is what's going to show up. So you'd want to put my awesome page. You name it whatever you want. All right. So now that shows up at the bottom. Then you'd want to, you know, change up your descriptions. You know, put in whatever you want. I'm just going to put yo-yo because I like the word yo. And then you would want to put keywords that are relevant to you, your products, services, and your brand. You know, if people search this term, that you want this to be associated so you can rank your videos. This is what you'd want to put right here. You put in your name, and then you can add your own image. I have my logos already uploaded. If I didn't though, I could easily hit upload and grab anything off my computer. Double click it, boom, now it's right there. Good to go. You hit save, and that, my friends, is building a squeeze page on Clickfunnels. How simple it can be. I will get into more videos in the future about setting up Actionetics, which is you can send out email blasts based on the actions that people take within your funnel. So let's say we had a page in here, a sales page on the second page, and they saw that page but they didn't buy and they just went on to the thank you page. We could set up email sequences. They saw this page but didn't buy, we could send them on that email sequence. Or if they did buy, we could send them on a different email sequences. It's really cool. Best tool that you can possibly have for doing business online. And this is how it's done right here. And I will get into more videos with this in the future. If you really enjoyed that video and you're like super freaking excited and you're ready to get going and start building out your sales funnel so you can start collecting your email list, so you can make an impact online and change lives and live the lifestyle that you want, you're ready to go right now, I highly recommend that you scroll to the comments or the description. I left a link for a 14-day free trial with Clickfunnels so you can check it out for yourself to see if it's for you. And if you really want to get going but you just don't know how you're going to do your online business thing, I do have a thing where you can work with me in an affiliate program with Clickfunnels, and you will get one-on-one coaching from me and step-by-step process training throughout the whole entire deal through the Clickfunnels staff with Russell Brunson. And I will leave that link in the comments in the description below as well. Highly urge you to take action on your dreams now, because it's not going to happen unless you make it happen. And as always, if you want to reach your potential and crush your goals, you can start right now by hitting subscribe and tap the bell notifications. That way you don't miss anything. And as always, I appreciate you stopping by, my winning friend, and I will see you next time.